Family behind the company that makes OxyContin will not get immunity from lawsuits over the opioid pandemic. A federal judge in New York overturned a bankruptcy deal that shielded the Sackler family from civil claims. The judge said the provision that granted them immunity was inconsistent with the U.S. bankruptcy code. That goes against a September ruling. A U.S. bankruptcy judge had approved a deal that would have seen the Sackler family pay $4.5 billion to the states, and in return, they'd get sweeping immunity from civil cases. The Sacklers own Purdue Pharma, which makes the highly addictive opioid OxyContin. The family and the company have faced lawsuit after lawsuit, accusing them of fueling the nation's drug crisis. The opioid epidemic has killed roughly 500,000 Americans over the last 2 decades, according to the CDC. The Sackler family has denied any wrongdoing. Bob Ferguson is here. He's the Attorney General for the state of Washington. Mr. Attorney General, thank you. You're one of only a handful of AGs who fought this ruling. Why?
Well, it's fairly straightforward, Shepard. In the United States, there cannot be two forms of justice, a form of justice for all of your viewers and a different form of justice for billionaires like the Sackler family. Keep in mind, they're not going through bankruptcy. They're billionaires. They're wealthy. But they grafted onto this bankruptcy plan in order to get that legal shield for life that they would essentially buy. And that's not right. We can't have two forms of justice in our country.
New York's Attorney General had argued that even though it wasn't a perfect deal, it would at least deliver funds and end delays. What's your response to that? Isn't the money needed now?
The money is most certainly needed now. My view is the Sacklers need to pay more. They did not dispute at trial at the bankruptcy court that they will be wealthier at the end of making payments over 10 years under the proposed bankruptcy plan than they are right now.
Wow.
They're that wealthy. And so from my standpoint, they simply have not put enough money in to do right for all the harm that they caused.
The appeals are coming. Obviously, it'll drag on. How long of a legal battle do you expect? Is it something the Supreme Court might have to decide?
I think you can absolutely expect this case go all the way to the United States Supreme Court. And frankly, Shepard, I think we're going to win.
Sir, good luck. And thank you for your time tonight.